In this video, we will learn how to hide zero value from Excel sheet. So let's see. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some number. In this between number have some zero value. So I want to hide this zero value, zero amount. Okay. So first select the range of data. Then the right click of the mouse. Click on the format cell. Click on the custom and edit here. General. Zero semicolon, again use 0 double semicolon and at the rate, then click on OK. That's it. You can see here the zero hide. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.